Okay, discussion for today is about multiple inspection in a single visit. So I'm gonna show you some photos that usually essential for the kind of inspection that I do on a particular job. You could do this kind of inspection if you are very aware of the items that you need to see, that you need to take photo of. So this inspection is based on the TR1 TR8 requirement. So I gotta discuss right here some photos that I took previously on the job. And let's go get started. Start my share screen for the photos. Okay, so right now I'm showing a sprinkler head. So probably one of my company's requirement to do the inspection in this particular job is one of them is the sprinkler system. So I took this photo just to identify the sprinkler head model and the specs within this head. This is a concealed type in the ceiling sprinkler head. This one is the water heater. They have installed new water heater. So this one, you need to identify the model number, the specs that's needed to be installed in the job. So this will fall on the HVAC in water heating system. So this will be find, you will find these specs on the drawing, the equipment schedule. So just in case you're on the ceiling already, just took whatever photo that you need that might be essential, because if you forgot something, you're not gonna be you're gonna be wasting your time, your effort to go back again, go look on the ceiling. This is a power blocking situation, power stopping. So I believe this wall is new, and probably they just put some sheetrock or gypsum board. So they just closed out an opening just to retain the power rating of the wall. So all those pipes are power stop. As you can see, some power blocking material, but you need to have a caulking material to be applied around it. So I believe this is a power rated wall. Right here, probably I took a photo of the insulation of the ductwork. So this will fall on the energy inspection. You need to insulate the ductwork, especially if it's conditioned air supplying to the room in the particular room. And if this wall is fire rated, this ductwork penetration should also be protected by a fire damper and retaining angle around it. So if not, they could have the option of having it insulated with a fire rated insulation. So same photo. Okay, next. This is a fire stopping. So probably this is only, I believe this building is only a renovation. So whatever they have installed new, they have to fire stop it. Like this conduit pipe, it's probably electric or cable or communication cable. If it's like this material, usually this what you call a conduit pipe. Same stuff. So this one, as you can see, you need to see the specs of the drawing, because as you can see, this is a CMU wall. a concrete wall. So CMU wall is usually 2 hour to 3 hour power rated, as far as I remember. So they break the wall and put all this conduit piping, and all they could do is put a power blocking material right there and power stopping material. So they need to seal up the open wall for this to be retained or restore the power rating of the wall. So you need to check on this material if this is rated for 2 hours or three, and you need to look on the drawing, the existing drawing, because this is an existing wall. And if you're not so sure, probably put in the report, address it to the engineer of record so that they could address it, how to correct, or probably accept it, what it is. So you need to attach this photo when you're doing your report, inspection report. Well, same stuff right here. So they break the wall. It's a fire-rated wall, I believe. So probably this room is a mechanical room. Usually mechanical electrical room is a fire-rated enclosure walls. So everything that you have make a wall and open like that, it should be retained to its restored to its existing rating, fire rating. And as you can see, some of the fireproofing also has been compromised right here on the beam. So that's why they have patched it with an approved material also. That's another thing that is different from prior rated construction, and power stopping. Fireproofing is another thing. So that's for the structural steel. This one, not sure what this is. So probably this is a sprinkle pipe. I just took a photo just to confirm that they have installed. They have laid out this pipe going as per drawing. Probably there's a sprinkler head inside the ceiling, or it just went through. Yeah, that's the pipe, just to confirm the pipe. And this, I took a photo of this because I believe this is an access door. Access door should be provided in every fire damper. So you can see here, this duct penetrates a wall. So probably that wall is a fire rating, has a fire rating has a fire rating, and every ductwork, every new duct should have a fire damper inside of it. So this is an access door to access the fire damper. And then this is, I believe this is a new ductwork and new sprinkler system. So I just took a photo just to see, to confirm as per drawing, it was installed on this area. So it's like a general view that the installation has been made. This is a thermostat. So you need to identify the location where it was installed. This inspection will fall on the HVAC control systems. So it's under energy inspection. So you need to make sure that it was functional, installed for each VABs or AC units. So it should have a individual control as per drawing specs or as per manufacturer specifications. So this the drawing reference for the sprinkler system. And then the lights. This is under energy inspection. This is what you call an interior lighting power inspection under energy code. So you have to confirm what's the lighting wattage. If it's LED, you need to have the specs. submittals, approved submittals, and probably as much possible you need to identify, and probably also you need to verify the location, how many of the lights has been installed compared to the drawing design. And ductwork, this is like if it's a new ductwork, they have penetrated the existing rated ceiling, so they have patched it with approved patching material, fireproofing material, and this ductwork should be, there's a minimum uh, hanger support for the ductwork, and even the pipe. This is a sprinkler pipe, so it depends on how big the ductwork is and how big the pipe is. So at least minimum, probably you could say every 6 feet should be probably safe to have a support, a hanger support. This will be inspection, ductwork inspection. You will fall on the mechanical system inspection. And yeah, this lighting power, you're gonna count all the lights. And the exhaust, the supply gears will be installed under mechanical system. So this, they also verify if there's a volume damper so that the air balancing guy could adjust what's the required air for the room, the particular room. So this one, I believe this is what's inside the grill, what's inside the diffuser of the ductwork. So this is in general the installation. So I just took a photo of all the light fixtures, the ductworks, and the fireproofing on the ceiling. Let's patch. And this is what inside the ductwork. This is a BAB. So at least every mechanical equipment should have an access door like this. For the reason if something breaks down or something is not functioning well while you're inside the building or room, probably there is something wrong with the mechanical system of the HVAC or the supply system of the ventilation. And you have to identify what's the specs for the BAB. So that's the air handling regulator, something like that. This is fireproofing on the ceiling, fireproofing. And as you can see, there is fire stopping against the wall. Oh, is there fire stopping or is it an open hole? So if you see something open hole, you need to verify if this wall is pirated between this room and the other side of the room. So if it's a pirated wall, this is not acceptable. If it has an open gap like this, it should be fire stop or fire caulk. It should have a fire caulk material. And every penetration so far. Oh, okay. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.